Hi, I'm Tony from Autobright the Cameraman. Just watched me go bike, and I'm going to show you how to use hydra-gloss, which is a high-gloss polymer spray used for wet exteriors, either on cars or motorbikes. You can see it's very smooth, very easy to apply. I'm just going to show you right now how to use it. Spray it all over. It's for all round the exterior. Don't have to be too fussy with it. Quick and easy to use. Once you've finished applying it, give it a quick rub down. As I said, you can either use it on any exterior you want. It would be leather, plastics, metals. It's quick and easy to take off. It's lovely. There's no drying, no waiting. It's just so easy to take off as well, and leaves such a nice shine. Well, instead of showing you the whole bike, I've showed you half of the bike. It's taken me seconds to do. And just this half of the bike. Gorgeous, lovely. Once again, just to show you, this is the product we used. It's called hydra-gloss. It's a high gloss polymer spray used for wet exteriors, cars or motorbikes, whatever you choose. It's lovely, quick and easy to use from the video that we have just showed you.